In this video, I'm going to demonstrate how to knit star stitch. Most of the work is done on the wrong side row. And this is where the colour changes take place at the beginning of all wrong side rows. So the instruction is to purl 3 stitches together, yarn round needle, and then purl those 3 stitches together again before releasing them off the needle. There's a purl one in between each star, and then you repeat again. Purl 3 stitches together. Don't release those 3 stitches off the needle, leave them there. Yarn round needle, purl 3 together, release them off the needle. And you repeat that all the way across the row. Not forgetting the purl one in between each star. Okay, so at the end of that row, if we turn the work around, you can see the clusters of stitches which are going to create this star shape. You can see the clusters of the stitches on that row. Now at the end of that row, you do have the same number of stitches that you started with, because the double decrease is cancelled out by the yarn round needle and working into the same 3 stitches again. So there's no variable stitch count. And on the next row, right side row, you just simply knit across all the stitches, taking care to make sure that in that cluster of stitches here, that you work each of those 3 stitches separately and individually. It can be quite easy, especially with a darker colour, to work 2 stitches together in error. So just take care when working across this row to make sure that you knit every stitch. Okay, so that's one whole repeat of star stitch completed. One wrong side row followed by a right side row.